Hey guys, and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your ChatGPT account using the browser version on a PC or laptop. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to chatgpt.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your username at the bottom left corner, then go to Settings. From there, choose Account, and you'll see the option to delete account. Now, before you continue, ChatGPT will warn you. This action cannot be undone. You'll lose access to all OpenAI services, and you won't be able to create another account with the same email. Also, keep in mind it may take up to 30 days for your data to be fully removed. If you're sure, click Refresh Login. This is just a security step. Log back into your account, then repeat the steps. Click your username, go to Settings, then Account, and choose Delete Account again. At this point, you'll need to enter your email address and then type Delete in all caps. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Finally, click Permanently Delete My Account. You'll be logged out right away, and just like that, your ChatGPT account is deleted. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.